Pageant blue, same colour as my Morris. So I've got one of these covers but I never fitted them. I think there was more work than putting the hood in. As you can see, I'm soaked. There's the sun out now. A wee Skoda favourite, still game. Fancy one of these things. Volvo. L8 Swedish. Look at the interior and that. Holy crap! Not a lot of room in the back though. An automatic. Not a lot of room. Well, that's me at Rocky Greg's. I went locally, avoiding motorways, all through Galston and all that, and it started to pour rain. I get stuck in traffic, I had to pull over and put the hood up. I'm definitely going to have a cold next week. Anyway, I would take some photographs now. Off to Glencairn Retail Park, Greg's breakfast meet. I'll see you soon with some classic cars. These are popular with a young team. It's a really nice classic 315. This was the first Capri. They even used the windscreen in this in the Reliant Scimitar GTE estate, and the first Mark 1 and 2 Capris used this windscreen to save money for Ford. There was a series of cars made a saloon. When the Mark 1 Cortina came out, it was pioneering new lightweight construction. This was a heavier car, probably better built. And this series finished 1962. It was called a Console Classic Capri. Not a lot of room in this estate. I was actually quite shocked. That really puts me off. And the price. It's the same price as a Jag when it was new. No, I'm not much interested in poppy bank things. Oh, it's our Cosworth Sally car, I suppose that's alright. Nope. You're going to end up getting barred, these people, with stupid noises. Coyote, been there, seen it, done it. PT Cruiser at a 1940s wideness. Never caught on really. If they'd made it rear wheel drive maybe. Somebody young trying to have a bit of fun with a Volkswagen. pretty hard even keeping something like this on the road now. Yep, Golf Estate. Very rare. Look at that Bentley, man. An electric Bentley. My God. What a piece of crap. Oh, it's a Genesis. I thought it was a Bentley.
And the seas we have about 10 seconds to get the revs up and around the time it's a small, the voice will start to change.
Emira. Look at the weather and that. Is that gorgeous or what? Oh, this was a 4-seater. AMG. But this wee thing, this is quite a good wee thing. So I've had my 2 bacon rolls, my cappuccino, and some form of cake which I've forgotten. So I'll just sit and get a wee rest in here and then see if there's anything interesting turns up. It's getting busier, it's stopped raining now. Off to Glencairn Retail Park, Greg's breakfast, mate. So I'll see you soon with some classic cars.